Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this one, we're talking about how to use Gmail confidential mode for secure emails. So open up your desktop browser, navigate of course to your Gmail official website, and then click Compose on the top left. Address your recipient and input your sensitive text or attachments exactly as normal. Then move your cursor down to the absolute bottom formatting utility bar and click the confidential mode icon right over here, toggle confidential mode. And after that, as you can see, we can configure your data's lifespan and access permissions. So under set expiration, you can expand the drop-down menu right here and choose your data's hard lifetime. Options range from, as you can see, 1 day up to a whopping 5 years. Once this timeline crosses 0, the content vanishes. Then move to the required passcode as well, as you can see. To reinforce military-grade authentication, you can switch this from no SMS passcode over to SMS passcode to make this even more protected. After that, when you're ready, click Save. And then, as you can see, this content that you sent will be vanishing on June 11th, in my case, because I chose, how much did I choose? 7 days, I guess. And then that's it, guys. Pretty simply done. Then you can just type in recipient, subject, and your message, and then send it. Enjoy the guide, guys, as always. If you like our videos, like and subscribe.